No doubt, a cough is annoying, but in most cases, it's an important protective reflex that helps keep mucus and other irritants out of your lungs. The issue is, if you keep coughing, there is something amiss.
The list of possible causes for a cough is very long, and occasionally the source can be tricky to find. One clue you might immediately pick up on is the sound. A wet-sounding cough, especially in the winter, is probably from an infection. Unfortunately, the sound alone doesn't say much about the severity, since even the common cold and bad postnasal drip can produce a wet cough. What's more important is how long it goes on and how you feel in general. If it goes on more than 2 weeks, that's more concerning. Also, if you feel short of breath, have pain when you breathe or cough, or you're running a fever, that should be checked out. Now, when it comes to wet-sounding coughs, another common source is COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or chronic bronchitis. Both of these are far more common in smokers or former smokers, but they can occur in some non-smokers. Typically, these coughs go on for many weeks and even months, and are usually associated with wheezing or a constricted feeling when you exhale. Now, in general, the most common coughs you'll hear are so-called dry coughs. That's an irritated, hacking cough that doesn't bring up much, if any, mucus. These too can be caused by the common cold and other respiratory infections, and the same advice about duration or other symptoms holds. Now, in addition to infections, two other common causes of a dry cough, especially if it drags out several weeks, are allergies and asthma, and GERD, or gastroesophageal reflux. A slight wheezy cough, especially with a constricted feeling in your chest, is very common with asthma. And if you notice your cough is associated with itchy or watery eyes, allergies could be at the root. Now finally, GERD, or heartburn, can produce a dry cough. Typically, this would be more common at night when you lay down or after a big meal. Now, sometimes after we have an upper respiratory infection, from the common cold to the flu, we're left with a lingering cough. It's very common, and as long as you feel well overall, you can usually just wait it out. Back to you.